The registration process at Providence Public Schools just got easier with online registration. To register a new child to the Providence Public School system, the district must have certain information to start the process. Now, you have the ability to provide this information online. This not only creates an account for your child, but also speeds up the registration process. Visit www.providenceschools.org/registration. If you already have children enrolled in Providence Public Schools, log on to your Skyward account. Once in Skyward, choose New Student Online Enrollment from the menu on the left. If your family is new to Providence Public Schools, click the New Family to the District option to set up a Skyward account. An account request page will appear. Please fill in all the required fields, then click the Submit button. After you have submitted a complete account request, two things will happen. 1, a new screen will open, and 2, you will receive an email with a pre-registration username and password. On the new screen, enter your username and password and click Sign In. You will then be brought to the Student Information screen. You are now ready to pre-register your child. On this screen, you will see a number of mandatory fields. First, please indicate whether you plan to enroll for the current school year or the upcoming school year. If you are planning to enroll your child for the current school year, please indicate the date you expect your child to begin attending school. The expected grade level is the grade your child will be on the first enrollment date. Choose 00 for kindergarten. For expected school to enroll into, the only option you can choose is Registration Center. This is because the district has a separate school choice and assignment process that happens after online pre-registration is complete. There are a number of acknowledgments and authorizations that require your attention. These include acknowledging the acceptable Internet use policy and approving the sharing of student information for specific purposes. After verifying that you have input your information correctly, click Complete Step 1 and move to Step 2 to save and submit your information and move forward to the next screen. If, during the pre-registration process, you need to move back to an earlier screen to check or change something, you may do so by choosing the Edit button. Warning, you may need to resave and resubmit each page that you review, or your changes will not be saved. Once you submit your information, you will be brought to the Family Guardian Information screen. This screen includes information about custody and permissions for child pickup. If there is more than one legal guardian in a household, please make sure you click on Yes, I want to add another legal guardian who lives at this address. If there is an additional legal guardian who lives at another address, click the button that reads Yes, I want to add a legal guardian who lives at a different address. Otherwise, verify that you have input your information correctly and then click the button that reads Complete Step 2 and move to Step 3. Step 3 includes additional forms. Click the link Additional Information to view the next form. After clicking that link, you will see a screen that requests information on the last school your child attended, his or her birthplace, and a language survey. Last school date is the date of the last day your child attended school in any school district. Choose the date from the calendar app next to the question. If your child has not attended school before, leave this field blank. Last school day is the grade in which your child was most recently enrolled. The last grade date is the date that your child successfully completed his or her last school year. If your child has not attended school before, leave this field blank. If your child was not born in the USA or moved out of the country for a period of time, you will also need to fill in dates for re-entering the United States. Please fill out the language survey by choosing the appropriate answers from the drop-down menu. After completing all applicable fields, click Save on the top right-hand corner of this window. Before clicking Submit Application, please verify that all information is accurately inputted. Click on the orange Submit Application to the District button to complete your submission. You will receive an email shortly that confirms your submission. If you are enrolling a child for the coming fall, our registration staff will contact you within 2 business days to make an appointment to complete your child's registration. If you are registering your child for the current school year, you do not need to make an appointment to complete your registration at the Student Registration Center located at 325 Ocean Street, Providence. Bring all the required documentation with you anytime during business hours. If you tell staff that you have already pre-registered, you will be placed in an express line, so your wait time will be significantly reduced. For a list of required documentation, please visit providenceschools.org/registration/requirements. For a list of required forms to complete, visit providenceschools.org/registration/forms. For any questions, please contact the registration office at 401-456-9297 during business hours.